Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the taillight bulbs on a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the taillight bulbs on this 2016 F-150 XLT, and procedures will be similar on a lot of these trucks from 2016 to 2020. But be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and lower the tailgate. On the inside of the taillight assembly, you'll see two 5/16 bolts that can be removed with a ratchet and socket. Once the bolts are removed, pull the assembly straight back toward the rear of the truck to protect and disengage the plastic tabs holding it in place. To keep from having to prop up or hold the assembly and change the bulb at the same time, turn both bulb sockets counterclockwise to remove them from the assembly. Then set the assembly aside. Work the bulb you need to change gently out of its socket. Install the new bulb in the socket. Lift the assembly back into position and secure the sockets by turning them clockwise back into place. Align the tabs of the assembly and press it firmly toward the front of the truck. Reinstall the two bolts with your ratchet and socket. Close the tailgate. And that's it. Everything that you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.